Hey nerdfighters! Hank here, ready to delve into the wild world of YouTube myths and glitches. YouTube is like a wacky, wonderful video sharing machine, but sometimes it seems to have a mind of its own. Glitches pop up, myths spread like wildfire, and creators are left scratching their heads. Today, we're busting some of the most common YouTube myths and shedding light on those pesky glitches that can make or break a creator's day. From the infamous algorithm to the dreaded demonetization, we'll separate fact from fiction and arm you with the knowledge you need to navigate the YouTube-verse like a pro. Remember that time your favorite YouTuber's video suddenly disappeared? Or when a channel you barely knew skyrocketed to fame overnight? Yeah, those head-scratching moments are what we're tackling today. We'll explore the hows and whys behind these occurrences, giving you a clearer picture of what really goes on behind the scenes at YouTube HQ. So, buckle up, grab your thinking caps, and let's unravel the mysteries of YouTube together. We'll debunk some myths, expose some truths, and hopefully make your YouTube experience a little less glitchy and a lot more awesome. Now, how many times have you heard someone cry foul, claiming that YouTube is out to get the little guy? This myth is as old as time itself, or at least as old as YouTube. It's easy to feel like the platform favors established creators with millions of subscribers, but is that really true? The reality is, YouTube's algorithm is designed to promote engagement and satisfaction for viewers. It doesn't care if you're a seasoned veteran or just starting out. Its primary goal is to connect viewers with content they'll love. Small creators often find success by tapping into niche communities and creating unique, high-quality content. Remember, YouTube has billions of users, and its algorithm has a tough job trying to please everyone. It's not about picking favorites, it's about surfacing the most relevant and engaging content for each individual viewer. So while it might seem like a David versus Goliath battle out there, remember that even Goliath started as an underdog. Focus on creating awesome content, engaging with your audience, and being patient, and you'll increase your chances of success. The allure of instant gratification. Who wouldn't want thousands of views and subscribers overnight? This leads some creators down the dark path of buying their way to the top. But let me tell you, those shortcuts are like those sketchy gas station weight loss pills. They promise the world but deliver nothing but disappointment and possibly a stomachache. Buying views and subscribers might give your channel a temporary artificial boost, but it's like building a house of cards in a hurricane. These tactics violate YouTube's terms of service and can get your channel penalized or even shut down. Plus, fake views and subscribers don't translate to genuine engagement, which is what truly matters in the long run. YouTube's algorithm is smarter than you think. It can detect fake engagement like a bloodhound sniffing out a juicy steak. Focus on organic growth through quality content, community engagement, and smart promotion. It might take longer, but it's the only sustainable path to YouTube success. We've all been there, right? You pour your heart and soul into a video, hit publish, and then crickets. It's easy to feel like the YouTube algorithm is out to get you, but I promise it's not personal, it's just business. The YouTube algorithm is a complex beast, but at its core, it's designed to do one thing: keep people watching videos. It analyzes various factors, including watch time, engagement, and audience retention, to determine which videos to promote. Instead of blaming the algorithm, focus on understanding it. Pay attention to your analytics, experiment with different video formats and topics, and see what resonates with your audience. The more you understand how the algorithm works, the better equipped you'll be to create content that gets seen. Remember, the algorithm is constantly evolving, so stay curious, adapt to changes, and never stop learning. Section 5, Myth 4. YouTube demonetized me for no reason. Demonetization. It's the word that strikes fear into the hearts of YouTubers everywhere. One minute, you're raking in the ad revenue, and the next, your videos are slapped with a big, fat, not suitable for advertisers label. It can feel incredibly unfair, especially if you believe your content is squeaky clean. While there have been instances of YouTube's demonetization system making mistakes, more often than not, there's a reason why a video gets flagged. It could be due to copyrighted music, inappropriate language, or content that violates YouTube's community guidelines. The key here is to familiarize yourself with YouTube's monetization policies. Understand what types of content are considered advertiser-friendly and which ones might raise red flags. If your video does get demonetized, don't panic. YouTube has an appeals process, and you can always edit your video to address the issues raised. It's all about transparency and understanding the rules of the game. Section 6. Myth 5. I can trick the algorithm with clickbait. We've all fallen for it. A thumbnail with a shocked face, a title screaming about some crazy drama promising a video you just to click. That's clickbait, my friends, and while it might get you some initial views, it's a short-term strategy that will ultimately hurt your channel. The YouTube algorithm is getting smarter by the day. It can recognize clickbait tactics and penalize videos that use them. Plus, even if you manage to lure viewers in with misleading titles and thumbnails, they'll likely click away disappointed if the content doesn't deliver on its promise. Focus on creating genuine, high-quality content that provides value to your viewers. Craft compelling titles and thumbnails that accurately reflect your video's content, and don't resort to cheap tricks to game the system. Remember, honesty is the best policy, especially on YouTube. Section 7. The importance of understanding the system. So, we've busted some myths and exposed some truths about YouTube's inner workings. But what's the takeaway here? Why does all this matter? Here's the thing, YouTube is more than just a platform for watching funny cat videos. Though let's be real, those are great. For creators, it's a complex ecosystem with its own set of rules, algorithms, and best practices. Understanding how this ecosystem works is crucial for success on the platform. When you understand the reasoning behind YouTube's policies and the mechanics of the algorithm, you're empowered to make informed decisions about your content. You can create videos that are not only engaging and entertaining, but also optimized for discoverability and monetization. Knowledge is power, my friends, especially in the ever-changing world of YouTube. Section 8. The power of transparency and communication. One of the most frustrating things about YouTube is that, well, it can feel like a black box at times. The algorithm seems to operate in secret, policies change without warning, and creators are left to navigate the chaos on their own. However, in recent years, YouTube has made an effort to be more transparent with its community. They've released detailed information about how the algorithm works, provided clearer guidelines for creators, and even created dedicated support channels to address concerns. As creators, it's our responsibility to stay informed about these updates and to communicate openly with both YouTube and our audience. If you're unsure about a particular policy or have concerns about a recent change, reach out to YouTube's support team or engage in discussions within the creator community. The more we communicate and share information, the better equipped we'll be to navigate the complexities of the platform together. Section 9. Embracing the evolving nature of YouTube. YouTube is constantly evolving. New features are added, algorithms are tweaked, and the landscape of online video is in perpetual motion. What worked yesterday might not work today, and what works today might be obsolete tomorrow. Instead of fearing this constant change, embrace it. See it as an opportunity to learn, grow, and adapt your content to stay ahead of the curve. Experiment with new formats, explore different genres, and don't be afraid to try something completely outside your comfort zone. The most successful YouTubers are the ones who are willing to evolve with the platform, to embrace new challenges, and to never stop learning. Section 10. Conclusion. It's about the journey, not just the destination. Navigating the world of YouTube can feel like embarking on a grand adventure. There will be highs and lows, twists and turns, and moments of both triumph and frustration. But amidst all the chaos, remember that it's a journey worth taking. YouTube provides a platform for creators to share their passions, connect with others, and build communities around shared interests. It's a place where anyone, regardless of their background or experience, has the potential to reach a global audience. So don't get bogged down by the myths, the glitches, or the ever-changing algorithms. Focus on creating content that you're passionate about. Engage with your audience authentically and enjoy the ride. The destination is important, but it's the journey that truly matters. Section 11, a call to action. Keep learning, keep growing. Well, there you have it, nerd fighters. We've delved into the murky depths of YouTube myths and glitches, and hopefully emerged with a clearer understanding of how this crazy platform works. But our journey doesn't end here. The world of YouTube is vast and ever-changing, and there's always something new to learn. So stay curious, keep experimenting, and never stop asking questions. And most importantly, remember to have fun along the way. DFTBA.